By the end of this video, you will be able to set up a development environment on your computer. Apache and Nginx or Nginx are the most commonly used web servers. However, we will be focusing only on Apache since it is free to use and the most widely used web server. Let us see how we can use Apache locally in the Windows operating system. If you are a Linux or a Mac user, you can skip this video and proceed to the next video corresponding to the installation of Apache in Linux or Mac OS. Now to use Apache, we need to install Xampp server, which is a package that consists of Apache, MySQL and PHP all at one place. To download Xampp server, go to this link which is also given below the video. Once you open this link, you will see this page. Now to download Xampp, click on this download button and make sure that you download the latest version only. Once the file is downloaded, double-click on the file to install the software. If at the beginning of the installation you get a warning like this, don't worry, just click OK to proceed. For some users, if the installation does not begin, you might need to disable your antivirus temporarily till the installation is complete. We will proceed with the default options, and when prompted, we will keep the installation location as C drive. You can choose any drive you want, but I would suggest you keep the C drive as the default installation folder. Once the installation is complete, you can find the Xampp icon on the bottom right tray of your screen, or you can open the drive folder where you have installed it. In my case, it is a C drive where you can see we have a folder named Xampp. We will open this folder, and if we scroll a bit, you can see the Xampp application. Click on this file and it will open the Xampp control panel like this. It displays all the services that can be controlled using Xampp. For now, we will ignore the rest of the services and will start Apache by clicking on the Start button next to it. And if you want to stop the Apache server, you can click on the Stop button next to it. So, you have successfully installed Xampp in your local on a Windows system. In the next video, you will see how we can install the Apache web server in the Linux operating system.